my team and I had a challenging task. We scrolled through all the new features of the Revit 2021 and tried to pick the best 3 features that will bring you a lot of value. We went through all these videos that are 20, 30, 40 minutes long, all the blog posts, and even explored the Revit features ourselves to give you the most value in this video under 5 minutes. So keep watching. Just before that, we launched a new course called Revit for Renovation to master your renovation skills. And we aligned it and modified it according to Revit 2021 features so you can get most out of it. In order to check the full course and to get a 30% discount code, you can go on the link below and in the description to find all of those information. Let's jump into the 3 features that will boost your Revit productivity and daily routine if you are using Revit 2021. Before we jump into tips for Revit sheets, let's quickly tackle this issue, Revit 2021 installation error. If you're getting this error, I will show you 10-second tip so you can get your installation and running Revit 2021. You need to simply go to either educational version of Revit or trial version and sign in and select the right version of you are looking for, so 2021. Once you're done here, don't click on the install now, but instead select download now. And in this way, you will be able to install. Just make sure that you have enough space in your computer. The first great feature is being able to link another Revit model, but at the same time now we can also monitor the project origin. Simply, if we link a Revit model, we will be able to see the project origin of the linked model and the project origin of our model. So in this case, and this is very familiar, right? So in many projects, we have this situation that the project origins do not match. So if you work in this project and you send it to someone of the same person, if he or she inputs this model into origin to origin, it will not come to the correct location. Therefore, these has to match right from the project start, and this feature allows a great collaboration. Feature number 2 would be linking PDFs rather than importing with 2021. So if we click over here and link a new PDF, what we can do is we can select single PDF and it will open in multiple views. I wouldn't suggest this workflow because you would not be able to monitor the changes accurately. Maybe the project goes on and some people made changes in the page 2 and 3, but the rest remaining the same. So it might create a bit of hassle to use. So it's better to monitor so you can see the saving day, the days that things are being saved, the PDFs are being saved on the folder structure. So here I will select one of the views. You'll be able to monitor the changes. So if you go to Manage tab, and from here, if you click Manage Links, you'll be able to see that in Manage PDFs, you have their PDF linked, and you will be able to load and or unload or reload from different location, and it will keep the same original location. And the third great feature is, I love that. So if you go to the interior space, you can do a lot with realistic render now. So you can just simply go and say on the lighting area, you can say artificial only. If you decrease the sun, you will get a grayish kind of feeling. If you increase the amount of sun, you'll get more brightness. But let's try something over here. I would say artificial only, and I will say ambient light a little bit low and the shadows a little bit less. And then what I will try to do is I will import an object that's a lighting component and place them. Look at this. It's lovely. You can really visualize how the lights are, like what kind of mood it creates, the lights, and you can also see this if you want to from exterior. It's amazing. So these would be the 3 great features of Revit 2021. Comment below the best Revit feature in 2021 or any other features you want Revit to include. We made a specific playlist for you that will cover amazing tips and tricks for Revit, so you can boost your productivity skills and Revit knowledge when you watch them. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel because every week we are going to publish 3 videos for you. Don't forget to turn the notification bell on. See you next time.